What's next isn't a question. It's a challenge. And at Lambton, we don't wait for it. We train for it. Because the best way to learn it is to live it. What comes next demands more than just theory. It demands action. So we go all in the lab, on the field, in the classroom. This is where skills turn into careers, where confidence meets your future. Not just for today, but for every opportunity waiting around the corner. Lambton College, for what comes next.